I think the mission for Unisys is really to believe in better and work with our clients to really have that positive impact on how they operate. Having that modern, collaborative, flexible, hybrid workplace is important for all of us.
Flexible work is here to stay. And so the vision is to figure out how do we provide effective communication and collaboration in a flexible work environment.
We had multiple UC platforms. We had users in Zoom, we had users in WebEx and BlueJeans. People wanted one place to do things, and that really drove the decision to go with Microsoft Teams. People could see they could rely on one presence.
We actually got people to change how they engaged, how they communicated. It was a change in corporate culture. It was really exciting to see through PowerSuite, all of the data as people moved from other platforms to Teams. They changed from having a high level of reliance on back-to-back meetings to ad hoc, agile type meetings. Within the 5 months, we had twice as many ad hoc meetings going on and a 51% reduction in meetings that were the back-to-back, less productive type. That just saves so much time. I know the right way to communicate with each person at the right time.
So having Teams Phone as part of Microsoft Teams just means that we have everything all in one place. The chat, the collaboration, and the voice as well. When we're working through a proposal, it's quite easy then for our salespeople to pick up the phone to that client directly from the application. In terms of cost saving from implementing Microsoft Teams, we saw roughly $1 million worth of savings. What the really exciting thing was actually all of the time that we've got back.
Unisys is 18,000 people scattered all over the world, different time zones, different languages, and Microsoft Teams is such an integral part of providing a flexible digital workplace for both ourselves at Unisys and for our customers.